Hi, I'm Alex from Net4, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new Vuzix LX1 smart glasses. So it comes in a nice, well packaged box, got all of your device information on the back, and first thing you're presented with is you use them. So lots of protective packaging, and then in there's our device. So we can see we've got the device, there's a battery there, and here is the new style headband for it, so you can wear that either way around. So first of all, the LX1 all comes very nicely wrapped, nice protective cloth, high quality. First thing we get to is the battery, and the battery is now an integrated battery into the device, no more USB cables. And we've then got the LX1 itself. Again, take off the nice wrap, put that to one side. And what we can see is we've got an all-in-one piece, as I mentioned. So battery just slots on. So some little runners, clips in, nice and secure. And there's your device, ready to go. What we'll now do, I'm left eye dominant, so I'm going to set it up on my left eye. You can set it up very easily. I'll walk you through the device and then I'm going to put it on and show you how to wear it. I'm going to wear it on the left hand side, so the heads up display is on my left. So let's start from the other side. You've got a clip there where the headband, or you can get baseball cap and hard hat mounts for this, clip in. You've got your battery. You've got a release clip for the battery there, so you can slide that on and off, interchangeable. You've got some cables built in, and then you've got your device with an adjustment here, so we can adjust where this sits backwards and forwards, and as you can see, it shortens the run on your head. And then you've got another clip on this side for the other side of the headband. The device itself, you've got the power button there, so you can turn that on and off. That will bring the screen on and off. Press and hold it for restart and other controls. You've got your buttons on the top still, there for navigating and selecting, and this is voice control. We've got a camera and a light, and we've got a swivel on the device, so you can then move this around as you need to on your eye. So let me pop the device on, and then you can see how it's worn. So these clips just goes in sideways and then twists, nice and safe. And there's our device. I've actually set this one up for the right eye. We'll change that around, because you always want this band at the front. That's what you want on your head. So we'll have that this way around. There we go. You can then adjust the Velcro straps to make sure the device fits. As you can see, this one's a little bit loose. So what we're going to do is tighten this up to fit my head. So there we go. That's now nice and tight. We can see the device here needs to come forward, and now it's under my eye and I've got a view of the screen. So that's the LX1. Much more easy to mount on and off than the M400. A little bit heavier, but it is all in one. And again, if you wear this with a baseball cap or a hard hat, then you're taking the weight away from your head. You wear the device slightly below your eyes, so your field of vision is not impaired. And I've now got heads-up display, ready to run any of the applications, so I can either use this for the enterprise mobilium application, which gives us logistics and vision picking, so I can now start barcode scanning, processing orders. We've got remote expert, people can dial in and see what I see, give me support and training, or we've got digital workflow where you can follow processes and you're ready to go. So that's our LX1. That's the unboxing. We'll do some more videos on applications on these. but that is now available. Get in touch with us if you're interested in a demonstration or more information.